Welcome everyone. There is a issue when you create a ListView builder on the screen, and sometimes we something put upper on ListView builder or the below of ListView builder, and the screen sometimes vanished. So we will take some solving today. Okay, let's clear all the works in here, clear all the data. Okay, my apps. Okay, theme data, I don't need anything. Okay, so debug banner false. See, the banner will be gone. Okay, let's home, scaffold, body, safe area, child. Okay, here let's take a column which is children, and some text. Let's some text. Hello, flutter. Okay, style, text style, adjustment font size 30. Okay, see, hello flutter. Okay, so I am taking, after hello flutter, I am taking a ListView.builder, view.builder. So the ListView.builder, item count, let's say 5. Okay, item builder is context, index, okay, sorry next. Okay, return. Return some text. Okay, text means words. Okay, so what the error I have first to see? Viewport is given unbound height. See, unbound height. Let's flexible, under flexible, what, see, so column cross-x element dot start. This will fix all in the left side. Okay, some style, I copy my style. Okay, hello flutter, put some space on there. Its height, sorry, size box, height 20. Okay, see, when I take flexible, it's easy, but when I remove, see, when I remove the text widget, it will say that vertical viewpoint was given unbound height. So the list view needs some height that it will contain its content. Okay. Now when I flexible this, it will take all the page in here. See how? Let's on the flexible, let's another child after flutter, then this view builder, then another child. We take text, okay, copy the text, and then there is the third child. Okay, see, there is the issue actually I'm talking about. So let's see that list view builder. list view builder and the first text RST for our easier third text. Okay, see what does mean. When we flexible the widget, it will take all his below, take all the space on this list view builder. So when we create this text widget under this list view, it will take this last line only. So when we create another line, it will take the third text one line up, then the fourth line will be under this third line. See, let's copy and FILT fourth. So let's done again, FIFT. Okay. So what's it? How I take this third, fourth, fifth text under this list view, I mean immediate under this list view. Now let's take shrink wrap, it's true. See, simple. Shrink wrap is the boss here. So let's take this size box. So this is how you can take list view builder in any column or row. That's the easiest way. Shrink wrap true. Thank you.